Dear friends, today's question is, if 18 persons can assemble a machine in 12 days, how many days are required to complete the work by 24 persons? Here there is a relation between number of persons and number of days required to work. Given that 18 persons can assemble it in 12 days, we have to find out 24 persons will take how many days to complete the assembling of machine. So let us take x be the number of days to complete the work. Also we know that ratio of number of persons and ratio of days required to complete the work are inversely proportional. When two ratios are inversely proportional, that is A is to B inversely proportional to B, C is to D, then A by B equal to D by C. A is to B inversely proportional to C is to D means A by B equal to D by C. Similarly, we can form a ratio here. 18 persons is to 24 person inversely proportional to 12 days is to x days. X days the number of days taken by 24 person to complete the work. As inversely proportional, we can write as A by B equal to D by C. Similarly, 18 by 24 equal to x by 12, where x equal to 18 into 12 cross multiply. 18 into 12 equal to x into 24. Then x equal to 18 into 12 by 24. This can be simplified as 24 and 18 divisible by 6, it becomes 3 and 4. 4 and 12 is divisible by 4, then cut to 4 and 12, get 3. So we get 3 into 3 equal to 9. So x equal to 18 into 12 by 24 equal to 9. So 9 days required to complete the work by 24 persons. That is the